Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you how to build a gray blanket. So first off, I'm going to start off with the materials that you need. You'll need scissors, a measuring tape, easy liner, hot glue gun, Gorilla Glue sticks, and whatever material you like to put on it. So when I first started doing this gray blanket, I did actually go out and measure the gray first before putting my easy liner together. So I started adding my bigger flowers first. Then I started adding in some medium-sized flowers, but keep in mind you're building a gray blanket, so you want to make it a little more realistic and you want to feel like you're building a garden. So I added in more colors, added in some leaves to try to make it a little more realistic to make it stand out. So as I was doing this project, I did find it very, very difficult to work with a hot glue gun that was plugged up into the wall. So I would definitely recommend getting a wireless one so you get that extra stretch out so you can get your material on the other side of the gray blanket. But other than that, we're going to work this and we're going to do this because it's going to come out perfect. I know it is. So even though I'm doing this project for someone else, I'm going to treat it as if I'm doing this project for my own loved one. So I'm going to make sure that it's very professional looking, very well done. And I'm going to make sure this project is done with a lot of love because it's going to go on top of someone. So I want to be filled with love, like a garden of love. So as you see, our project came out very detailed. It's very beautiful. It's going to blend in with the ground because of the beige easy liner. It's very beautiful, y'all. Great job. So thank you for watching my channel and I will see y'all next time.